Guys,
What is that?
nasa Carrefour kami guys. Tingnan mo, ang ganda oh. Yung shopping mall nila guys. Oh, this is Carrefour. Granada Mall pala. Granada Mall. It's not Carrefour. Tapos may grocery doon ng Carrefour. Mag-grocery ka doon mamaya. Pero tingnan mo, ang cute ng design nila, no? Ang cute ng design nila, kuya, no? Tingnan mo, ang ganda. Diba?
No. Yes.
Wow, it's so nice. I like it.
It's already closed.
No, not yet open. It's not closed. Not yet open. That's why. Oh, 9 Royal na lang. Guys, nasa Carrefour kami. Daming sale sa Carrefour. Oh, mura na to ah. Oh. Dating 31. Ay, 35 yun. 31 na lang dalawa. Ah. Ayan, love. Flashlight. Ayan ang gusto mong flashlight, diba? Dalawang peraso? Dalawang peraso ilan? Sandaan. Dating 159. Pwede na. Hoy, ginagawa niyo yung dalawa. Kasi nga, nakakapagod naman mag-sit ng ganyan. May artista sa gitna. May artista sa gitna. 50% off sila, guys. Ang dami, oh. Oo. Gusto ko to. Wow. Ano yung mga plato? Babasagin naman yata. Oh, babasagin. Yan ang presyo ng mga plato nila, guys, oh. Pero babasagin siya. Oy, gusto ko to, oh, papa. Oh, move, kuya, move. Dito. Yan. Ito.
Pang negosyo na yun.
Oh. Suka, tuyo, paminta, bitchin. Ganang cute. Cute, guys. Ito, meron tayo nito, di ba? Binili natin. Ay, malaki konti to. Hindi, malaki konti to sa binili natin. Tag 179 lang siya, guys. Parang ganito yung binili natin eh. Laki ng ano, oh. Ng, ano ba yan? Lagayan. Oh, ay. Tingnan mo pa, oh. 35. May ano sila, yung ano ba tawag nun? Yung clay, ano? What's that? Is that kawan? It's a cat? Oh, Pet City. Ah, bilihan ng ano? Pagkain ng pusa at saka dog. Clearance. Kano naman ang clearance nila? Come. Buy diaper. Papa, buy diaper. Bibili kami ng diaper, guys. Si Kawan wala ng diaper. Diaper pa rin. Maliit lang. 79. Saan? Hindi, okay lang yan. Magkano? Mahal din. Dito. Dito kahit sa, ano, ibang diaper na lang. Ayan o, 49 lang. O, ayan o, 49. Ayan. Okay lang, parang hindi na yata kasya kakairo niya.
Din yun, 16 kilos. Ang baby yan. At ang bakal niya dapat.
Mahal din ah, 80. Ito, Baby Joy.
What is he doing?
Number 6.
Oh, 80.
Is he going to get one?
Mas mahal. Mahal.
Yeah.
Dapat kasi hindi na nagda-diaper si Susu eh.
Ilang kilo ba dito?
16. 6L. La. Ala. Ayun, fall down na. I cannot move now. Papa, I cannot move now.
Tawel him.
Mura na yan ah. Kasya sa kanya. Yan, doon na tayo saan? Kabila. Kabila. Ang daming sale nila ngayon ah.
Mahal din ang 6 oh.
Magkano?
145.
145. Pero ilang peraso yan?
6 pero.
Dito, magkano?
Mga babae.
Pwede man yan sa kanya. Kasi takbo ng takbo. Tissue. Tissue lang. Oh, 19 lang. Pinipili ang sale ba? Kasi mahal na talaga ang bilihin ngayon. Just come in. Dito. Pipiliin natin yung pinakamura kasi mahal na ang mga bilihin. Ano yan? Ah,
You're with them. Definitely.
Tabasco. Egg. Look for the egg. Egg, 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 egg. Wow, ang ganda. Parang bahay. Tingnan mo guys. Go! Dito pa ganun tayo. Ikot. Ikot. Parang bahay, bahay. Bahay ng mga gatas. Tsaka cheese, palaman. Ang cute ng design nila pa, no? Look. Brazos meat. Imported products. Wow. It's cute. Diba? Dito tayo. Nandito yung egg. Ganun din laban. Ganda na, this is the other part. Ayan. Ang cute. Cute guys. Ate ako. Don't buy the food that we cannot eat. Sayang ang money. Girl. Come on. Come on guys. Busy sila. Ito. Ay, we have still there. There's another juice maybe. Milk. Milk. Ayan, egg. Tag-15. Ayun na, egg tag-15. Yan. Ang laki ba? Lalaki no? 15 lang. Laki siya. Ay, may basag. be perfect. Come on, guys. How about milk? Will not buy, Papa. Oh, there's pineapple. You want pineapple? Come here, we'll go to the fish. Fish. Si Kyron na pogi. Pwede pala magpaluto ng fish dito eh. Pusit. Namasakir na yung pusit. Hipon. Sibas. Ito. Lamok na. 27. Five lang. Ha? Asaan? Ano ba yan? Anong isda yan ba?
Wala fish daw.
Pula? Hindi ko kakala. Wala kakala. Parang wala mong maganda. Buhay. Ano pa ba? Okay pa ba? Parang bilasa na eh. Hilado na eh. Yan guys, we will buy baon here. Okay. No problem. Want cookies? Come here guys. Now, what we gonna buy here? Huh? Chocolates? I'm gonna see, but teacher said don't bring chocolate in the school. So she said only biscuits. Right?
Yeah.
Because chocolate is not allowed.
But I want to find a biscuit.
Biscuits? Oh, we will look for the biscuits. Maybe on the other side.
Chocolate.
It's not chocolate. That's what you call that one? It's a bread. That's a bread here. Bread, baba.
That's a bad toothpaste.
Okay, baba, go. We'll just move it. Go to your papa. Ay, put there. Kuya. Nah. Where are we going?
Here.
There, here. We're gonna check here. Where are you going? We will find your toothpaste. Come on. We'll look for your toothpaste. Maghanap kami guys ni Kyron. We will look for the toothpaste guys. Maghanap kami ng toothpaste ni Kyron. Because I buy his toothpaste. He don't want to use it kasi hindi daw yummy. So, maghanap kami ng toothpaste dito na gusto niya guys. Yung gusto niya yung Spider-Man na Colgate. Give me. Give to mama.
Okay.
What do you want? Spider-Man? Colgate? Huh? Come here.
This will be making them terrible.
I told you before that you put in the trolley of Kuya. You didn't put. No toothpaste here. Maybe on the other side.
And the cold one.
Yeah, other side. We'll go to other side. Okay. Here.
Then we'll go and go.
Here, come here.
Ladder moon. Can we go on the ladder moon?
We will go in the ladder moon.
Can we go on the ladder moon?
Okay, we will go in the ladder moon.
Ladder moon.
Yeah. Wala namang toothpaste.
Ladder moon.
Wala toothpaste. No toothpaste. Oh, what are we gonna do? We don't have space. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Huh? Maybe in Panda na lang. There is Panda, diba? In the Panda, we'll go there. We'll buy your toothpaste.
No,
What?
because I want in here.
Okay. Oh, look at that, oh. It's sale, oh, sale. Look. It's 1 Royal.
Maybe I should like this.
This is, what you call this one? 0.75.
Mama, I like this one.
Ah, the syrup?
The syrup.
Syrup.
It's good.
It's 1 Royal.
The syrup is good because I like it.
Let's go. Let's go other side. Maybe here. Come here. Oh. Here. Let's go. There is a clearance.
You can get a lot of candy.
Yeah, let you be candy. Or sa baba. Want popcorn?
She's going to fix his daughter
In the ladder?
I want to go.
Come on, let's go. Here, come here. Sa bread. Sa bread. Oh, after this one. After this one, we'll go there. Yan si Baba, oh.
Alice Produce Publicity Customer Service. Supervisor Produce Publicity Customer Service.
Let's go. Let's go, Papa. We'll buy bread there. The yummy one. The cookies. Wow, look. Look, oh, nuts, oh. Oh, it's so good. You want to try? Ay, ito Papa, oh. Ito lang, oh, lahat, oh. Ah, okay. Sarap niyan, no? Arabian sweets yan, guys. Come on. A lot of nuts. Raw nut. You want to eat? Ah, this one. You like this one, diba? This is the papaya? No, this is the papaya you are eating. Saan hanapin natin? We will buy. Bob, yung papaya lang. Meron siya doon eh. Ha? Yung papaya lang ba? Gusto yun ni Kyron eh. Yung papaya. Asan na ba yun? Ito oh. Ito Papa oh. Ito. Ito yan. Diba? Ito yun. Ayun, sa kanya, yun doon. Ito. Hindi, ito lang. Ay, mahal. Eh. Paborito ito guys ni Kyron, no? Dried fruits. Gusto niya yung dried fruits. Apricot. Ayan guys, oh. Ito. How much?
12.
12 ba? Ah, okay. 49 SR, 9 kilo niya ngayon. Sale.
Wala, magkakasya niya ng ano.
Nang? Ito na nga yun. O yun, diba? Ayan o. Oh,
Kaya ito siya, marami. Kung sa malayo ka pa po.
hindi ko nakita.
Ikaw, pares lang naman yun.
Pares lang naman yata. Magkano yan? 12 din. Ito 12 lang din. Pares lang.
Tama na yun.
Guys, tapos na kami mag-shopping, guys. Awan, say hi. Awan. Say hi. Hi, guys. Hi, guys. Hi, guys.
Hello.
Hello, guys. Nasa Carrefour kami, guys. Look. Ayan, guys. Tapos na kami mag-shopping. Tapos na kami mag-shopping, guys. So, magka-counter na kami. Ayan. Punta na kami sa counter, guys. Bumili kami ng ganito. Gusto to ni Kyron eh. Ayan. May mga clearance sila dito. Bento. Clearance yung bento nila, oh. Ito, oh. Ayan. Bye-bye, guys.